Hi everyone, this is Jacob from New Beginnings Window and Door, back again with more product knowledge. This time we have a Windsor Pinnacle clad swinging single door. So a nice features and benefits about this door is the extrude aluminum clad that we did in our last series about this push out casement. Another big feature on one of the single in swing is I'm allowed to have a screen. So instead of having a sliding glass door, I'm able to have a swinging door and still able to have a screen to allow the fresh air in. One of the bigger benefits to having a swinging door over a sliding glass door is what we call the multi-point lock system. So if you come over here, I can show you a little bit more in depth. So the multi-point lock system is integrated throughout the door. So to basically show you what it is, you just push this in here and flip this up, and you have teeth. They're going to latch in top, the bottom, and here, and when the door is closed, it's going to also shoot through bolts from the top and bottom as well to get you nice in and secure. So this is one of the biggest benefits and one of the most secure ways that this is offered. So you just throw it in, throw it back down, and you're locked. All of it's done just on the handle set. It makes it such an easy and nice way to use the multi-point and know that your house is safe and secure. Again, paired with the wood interior on the inside and a couple different array and colors. And of course, like most people and myself, I would rather prefer this clear to be able to look out in my backyard. So like we said, begin each day with a beautiful view.